what's up? It's Slimy8888 here, and today I am joined by
greatsmile8888.
And today we are doing a trading slime review challenge where we're gonna trade 4 different slimes with each other and we're gonna review them. So yeah, and greatsmile8888 is reviewing my slimes on her channel, so make sure to check her out. Her channel name Golden Description Max below. She makes sure to subscribe. So yeah, I have never seen these slimes before. So here's the slime package I got. So I guess we'll just start with the smallest one. I believe this is the Galaxy Glitter Slime. Okay. Wow, there's a lot of glitter in here. Also, for every single slime, I'm going to rate it from 1 to 10. So, I'd probably rate this an 8.5, maybe a 9. It's really stretchy, and it's super soft, but not sticky at the same time, which is one of the best slime textures ever. Alright, so that was the first slime. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, so next I'm probably going to do this slime. Okay, it's a green slime. Has a few foam balls in it. I think this one's the chunky avocado slime. And it says it's a butter slime, which is actually pretty good. Alright, so have a knife here. It is kind of sticky to the plastic, but that's fine. It does spread pretty good. And overall, I'd probably rate it maybe an 8. An 8 or maybe an 8.5 or something like that. The color is actually kind of, it definitely looks like an avocado. So yeah. Let's move on to the next slime. So now I'm going to do this slime. It's called Pink Fluffy Unicorns. Oh wow, the beads are really pretty. And it also has foam beads in it. Oh, this is super crunchy. Do you see how stretchy this is, guys? This is a super crunchy slime. And super runny as well. The beads give it a super awesome pop of color. So yeah, I would probably rate the slime, probably because of the beads, like a 9 or 9.5. This is the future of slimes, guys. Let's move on to the final and last slime. Alright, so here is the final and last slime. It's called Shimmering Strawberry Jam. Oh, and the word shimmering reminds me of Shimmering Slime Studios. So make sure to go check out their slime shop on Etsy. Oh my gosh. Do you guys see the glitter in here? Wait, is this bead supposed to be? Oh, okay. It's super cute. I dig the color. This is like, it actually looks like strawberry jam. Like seriously, do you see these like little gold glitters? So I'd probably rate this like a 9. All these slimes are like super high quality. So yeah, that was all for this video. Make sure to go check out greatsmile8888's review. It will be on her channel. Her channel link will be in the description box below. So subscribe. And yeah, thanks so much for watching.